In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export stats reports. To get started, open the section of your platform where your reporting data is stored, then go to the stats area. This is the place where you can review performance information and prepare it for export. If you have a lot of data on screen, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that you're viewing the correct report before downloading anything, especially if you plan to share it or use it later for analysis. Once you're in the stats section, look for the export option. This is usually placed somewhere near the report controls or toolbar. When you select it, the system will give you a choice of file formats. In this case, you'll want to choose between CSV and Excel. If you choose CSV, that's usually best when you want a simple data file that can be opened in many different programs, uploaded into other systems, or used for deeper analysis. If you choose Excel, that's often the better option if you want a more familiar spreadsheet layout with easier formatting and review. The right choice depends on how you plan to use the report after downloading it, so take a moment to pick the format that makes the most sense for your workflow. After selecting either CSV or Excel, start the download. Depending on your browser and system settings, the file may begin downloading immediately, or you may be prompted to confirm the action. Give it a few seconds if the report contains a large amount of data, since export time can vary based on report size. When the file is ready, save the report to your computer. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location that's easy to find, such as your desktop, downloads folder, or a dedicated reports folder. If the file saves automatically, it's still a good idea to move it to an organized location afterwards so you can access it quickly later. As a final tip, consider checking the file name once it's downloaded so you can easily recognize the report in the future. Clear file organization can save time, especially if you export reports regularly. That's all it takes to export your stats report. Go to Stats, choose Export, select either CSV or Excel, then download and save the report to your computer.